HIV symptoms in men after 6 months. General about HIV. This article will inform us about the possible HIV symptoms that occur in men who have been infected more than 6 months. According to the gathered data by the World Health Organization, 2.7 million of people get infected by this virus and 2 million people die from HIV virus. It is very difficult to diagnose HIV, because symptoms may vary depending on the person who has been infected. We all know that people develop HIV due to autoimmune deficiency syndrome and that it is transferred most frequently by sexual intercourse. Nowadays, HIV-late symptoms appear in the third world countries and the death toll there is measuring with plague death toll. But, there are also a lot of HIV patients in the US. Firstly, in most cases, HIV virus lies in the body, resting and waiting for the right moment to reveal itself. In some cases, years may pass until a person experiences the first symptoms of AIDS, and it is because of the unpredictability of AIDS appearance that it is very hard to give some accurate prognosis for HIV symptoms appearance. So, if any symptoms in men don't appear before 6 months from receiving the virus, those symptoms are considered to be asymptotic. But, during the first 6 months, some HIV/AIDS symptoms that can be overlooked may appear, and those symptoms include extreme physical exhaustion, bruising, body rashes, and symptoms that resemble an ordinary flu. HIV symptoms in men after 6 months, facts to know. In order to comprehend the progression of HIV symptoms, we need to know all the symptoms from the beginning. During the first month, the symptoms are more acute and this phase lasts around 30 days, but after that the symptoms may start appearing more often. After the 6th month of the infection, HIV symptoms don't longer exist in an infected man, but during the earlier phase our immunity system has already started its fight against AIDS and the production of the antibodies is continuing. Seroconversion symptoms are the symptoms that are experienced after the body has started to produce antigens to fight HIV virus. Early HIV diagnosis is important because a patient's life can be improved a lot, and it is important to emphasize that people can carry HIV virus without even knowing it for years, and they can transfer it to others. HIV/AIDS can be held under control if the early diagnosis is set. Sources and links.